Lucy Importer Clothing has been making some waves lately, but is it really worth the hype? I dove into their offerings to see if this brand lives up to its promises or if it's just another online fashion trend. So, Lucy and Porter Clothing is primarily an online retailer that focuses on trendy casual wear for women. They offer a range of items from dresses and tops to pants and outerwear. Right off the bat, the website is visually appealing, which is a plus. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, making it simple to find what you're looking for. However, I couldn't help but notice some gaps in the product descriptions. For instance, the fabric details and care instructions are often vague, which can be a concern if you're particular about materials or washing methods. The intended audience seems to be younger women looking for stylish yet affordable options, but I wonder if the sizing might be an issue for those who don't fit the typical model measurements. Overall, while the aesthetic is on point, there are definitely areas that could use more clarity to enhance the shopping experience. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the styles are fresh and trendy, perfect for casual outings or everyday wear. The prices are generally reasonable, which is always a bonus for budget-conscious shoppers. However, there are some downsides. The lack of detailed product information can be frustrating, especially when you're investing in clothing. Additionally, I found some customer reviews mentioning inconsistent sizing, which could lead to returns and exchanges, a hassle nobody wants. There's also limited transparency about their return policy, which might deter some potential buyers. If you're someone who values detailed product specs or has specific fit requirements, you might want to think twice. But if you're just looking for some cute, casual pieces, Lucy and Porter could be worth checking out. In conclusion, Lucy and Porter Clothing has potential, especially for those after trendy, affordable fashion. But if you prioritize detailed product information or have fit concerns, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it's worth a try if you're feeling adventurous, but just keep your expectations in check. On the plus side, the styles are fresh and trendy, perfect for casual outings or everyday wear. Some shoppers may appreciate the overall style and presentation. Some shoppers may appreciate the overall style and presentation. Some shoppers may appreciate the overall style and presentation. Some shoppers may appreciate the overall style and presentation. However, there are some downsides. The lack of detailed product information can be frustrating, especially when you're investing in clothing. There's also limited transparency about their return policy, which might deter some potential buyers. Some buyers may have concerns depending on their expectations. Some buyers may have concerns depending on their expectations.